I really like the company here. It's a very good environment. Everyone here is doing their own thing, and if you need any help, you can just ask.
It's something that I'm finding very handy and very fun to work with.
Hopefully use the skills I learned here to use them in college projects just to make my college work better.
The company has a variety of different types of specialities that you can hone in on, and it's just about choosing what works best for you, because once you have it in your head, you can then pursue that as a greater goal.
The 3D modeling is definitely a goal that I wanted to achieve because I didn't know how to do it beforehand.
Biggest thing I want to achieve is just seeing what it's like to work in an office, or work in kind of this environment, a more professional end of things.
I hope to get a good grasp on Unity and learn how to make good projects in VR.
The biggest thing is to increase my skills, especially in the VR realm.
My editing experience with Mersus, it was just about meeting members of staff, getting them on camera, talking about their experiences, and then designing that all together in the form of a docu-series that would benefit the company from a marketing standpoint.
It's really cool that I actually get to work on some of the stuff for Mersus instead of little assignments. I'm given proper projects to do. I think that's really cool.
In the future, I could model for any company as I have gained a lot of experience.
I would say definitely go for it, give it your all, see how you do.
Definitely apply, look them up, research them, see what they do. I would highly recommend coming here.